Hi guys, so today I'm making German chocolate cupcakes. So if you want to know how to make these, stay tuned. So first I'm going to start off with my German chocolate, and I'm just going to break those into small pieces, add my butter, and melt my chocolate. So once your chocolate is melted, you just want to stir. And if you have some pieces that have not completely melted, just continue to stir or either give it a few more seconds in the microwave. Okay, now I'm going to add my chocolate to my mixing bowl, and just make sure you give your chocolate a chance to cool before you do that. And I'm going to add my sugar, and I'm just going to whip this until it's light and fluffy. Okay, now I'm going to add my eggs one at a time, and I will leave the recipe in the description box. So if you have any more questions, or if I didn't cover something in this video, you can leave it in the comment section. So just continue to mix after you add your eggs. And I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowl just to make sure everything is getting mixed well. Now it's time to add your dry ingredients. And so you are going to add around a half a cup of your flour mixture. And scrape your bowl down, and then you're going to whip it some more, and then add the remainder of your flour mixture, and you're going to alternate that with your buttermilk. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of that bowl just to make sure everything is mixed well. And you don't want to over mix it. So if you do need to mix it with your hand, you can. Okay, so this is how your batter should look. Once you're done, you want to make sure it's light and fluffy. And now we're going to go ahead and take this German chocolate batter and put it into our cupcake tins. And you can use a cupcake scoop or ice cream scoop, but I just use a 1/4 cup, and this is how I do it, and it comes out the same every time. So I'm going to put it on my oven on 350 degrees, and I bake mine for about 20 to 25 minutes. So now we're going to start on our icing. So I'm going to add my egg yolks, I'm going to add my evaporated milk, and make sure you whisk that together because you want to make sure the egg is incorporated. And then you want to add it to the stove. And you're going to also add your butter and your sugar. And what you want to do is just let that come to a boil, a light boil or a simmer. You just want to continue to mix. And I like to make sure it's well incorporated before I add my sugar, and the butter is melted before I add my sugar. You just want to continue to stir. And so I usually let it sit on the stove around 12 minutes, but you can just use your judgment. You want it to be thick. And so this is how you want it to look before you remove it from the stove. As you can see, it's nice and thick. So at this point, I'm ready to add that to my coconut and my pecans. So I have my coconut here. I'm going to add pecans, and then I'm just going to take that mixture and add it to the coconut and pecans. And you just want to mix it, and I let it sit overnight just so it can cool off and it will allow it time to stick together. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and see how it all comes together. You want it to be sticky. So now you just want to take your coconut pecan frosting, add it to your cupcake, and I'm also going to take some pecans and just put that along the sides of the cupcake. And that's it guys. Simple, easy, good, and delicious. So don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.